We are late. We are going to the aquarium. We are at Dubai Mall. This is the only fast way we can go. So yeah, today we are going for Iftar at a place called Rainforest Cafe. We got a good deal. So yeah, and actually we have like, we're already late. I think we have 2-3 minutes. So we'll try to make that in time. Anyways, let's see how this place is. I heard a lot about this place, and yeah, see you in a bit. So we are here, and check out this place. Woo! And it's a part of the aquarium as well. Let's go, let's go. Alright, this place is like a jungle, really cool. I'm just gonna go hit the buffet first. Check out that line. Basically it's all the way from the entrance to the buffet. So at least they're sweet enough to get us some dates and some water. Alright, so we already broke fast, and yeah, still in the queue. Very long queue. So it's packed over here. I think I'm not the only one who came over here for deal. It's full, so I'm just gonna head for the second round and see what it is. What, are you scared? You don't like it?
No.
Why?
It's very upset.
Why? Don't be scared. They're not real, by the way, yeah? But it's funny. You want to look for monkeys or you want to lick snakes? Giraffe. Look. There's giraffe over there. See that? There. buffet is almost done. The people are actually leaving, and well, I think everyone is done with iftar. It was quick, fast. It was actually very good. The food was great, to be honest. You know, the reviews that I saw about this place, like some of them didn't say the food was good, but actually it was excellent. The food was great. The staff was very good, very fast, very friendly. I saw one of the waitress bought us a special cheesecake from the kitchen. Thank you very much for that. There's one thing that I always wanted to say in buffet. I don't know why, but people take a lot of food. But look at that. Just that, you know, you go in, you take a lot of food, but at the end, if you can't eat it, I think you should not take so much. You're just wasting a lot of food. Just take what you can eat, and the buffet is open, so you can go and, you know, get more later on. You see that? All that? And, you know, that? It's like, I just see a lot of people leaving, and they have a ton of food on their tables, which they couldn't finish as well, which is really bad because you're wasting food. And this is the month of Ramadan, it's the month of giving, and I mean, it's a good deal, but this is the other side. So just do one thing and don't waste any food. Around the world, there are a lot of places that, you know, people don't get food at all, the food that you waste. So it's pretty sad to see that people actually in Ramadan also practice the same behavior of just getting so much food and then not eating it. So guys, please, when you go for a buffet, try not to waste food and try to take as minimum as possible, because this buffet, you can go again and get it. Wow. What you doing?
I'm pushing my trolley.
Go. Go touch the elephant. The elephant is right there. Okay, here. Whoa, that's a big elephant. You want to see the small elephant? Yeah.
That's his daddy, and that's his baby.
Yeah, that's the baby. You want to go to the baby? That's the baby. Let's go. Give me a hand, give me a hand. 1, 2, 3. This is the biggest aquarium in the world in Dubai Mall. I'm sure you guys know about this, but I'm just putting it for your information, people who don't know. The biggest aquarium in the world is right here. They also have got that. That's I think it's a tiger shark or one of the big sharks. And they've got like huge fish over here. So, and a lot of school of fishes over there. See that? It's just a lot of fish. So, yeah, if you want to check out the biggest aquarium in the world, come down to Dubai Mall and check it out. I'll just give you a little bit of what is there in here. Yes. Hello. This is it from me. Nice place. Check it out whenever you come to Dubai Mall. And they have some good offers, good food, and I think it's going to be really good for the kids, because I know she enjoyed a lot. She got a little scared, but had fun. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I mean, it was a quick iftar, and yeah, we came here running and we are done over here. I hope you like this video. It's a really cool place to come down. The food was actually very good. Surprisingly, I don't know, the reviews are not very good, but the food was really good. The staff was really friendly. And 1 second. You want to say something?
Hi.
Alright guys, so anyways, thanks for watching the video. Like if you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. Do whatever you do. Don't forget to watch Local Not Local. Ciao.